The Contacts tab acts like an address book of names and is where NPDX stores the list of your contacts, or ministry partners. Sometimes it can be helpful to see a shorter list of names instead of your full list. This is where filters and tags come in handy. This video will explain how you can use the Filters menu to narrow the list of contacts you see. Tags can be helpful to use in combination with filters to help organize your contacts into smaller groups to find again later. The Filters menu can be found in the top left corner of the Contacts tab. When you click it, the menu will expand and show up on the left side of your screen. Click the X to collapse this menu. At the top of Filters, you'll see the option to clear all. Each time you start a new search, you will want to check your filters and clear all previous filters if you want to begin a fresh search. The most common filters option is tags. A tag is essentially a label for a specific group of contacts. For instance, members of a men's Bible study, people who are passionate about a certain ministry focus, like family ministry, or people you want to contact next as part of your NPD plan, contact early summer. How you use tags is really up to you and what works best as you organize your contacts and develop your ministry partnerships. To search by a tag you've already created, click the tag. Once selected, it will change color from gray to blue, and you should see the list of names change to whichever contacts have that tag. The number of contacts shown can be seen to the right of the Search Contacts box. If you click a second time, the tag color will turn red. This means that you are doing a reverse filter of this tag. In other words, when the tag is red, you are looking at a list of all contacts who do not have this tag. This can be helpful if you have a tag like Christmas letter. Doing a reverse search will tell you which of your NPDX contacts do not have a Christmas letter tag, and therefore may not be receiving your Christmas letter when you export your mailing list and send it. You can add a tag to a contact in several ways. First, you can visit the Contact Details tab on their contact page and click Add Tag. Or you can do a contact search, select one or several names, then choose Add Tags from the Actions drop-down menu. Either way, you'll have the option to type and create a new tag, or add a tag that already exists. If you click a third time, you have deselected this tag. Now we are going to clear all of our filters to start a new search and collapse the Tags section of filters and focus on your other options. A contact's status explains where they are in the NPD process. For example, never contacted, or contact for appointment. You can choose multiple status types for your filter search by clicking and typing or selecting one from the drop-down. Use the X to remove a status you added accidentally. If you click the icon with two opposing arrows, this sets a reverse filter, which means NPDX has changed the list to all contacts in your list who do not have the statuses selected. The contact location is a helpful filter to use if you are searching for contacts in a specific area. For this example, contacts in the city of Vancouver. As a note, if you would like to see the ministry partners in a specific area, this is a helpful filter to use with the map view of your contacts. Gift details is another commonly used filter option. You can do a search of who gave within a certain date range. For example, see a list of the people who gave this calendar year by choosing a start gift date of January 1st and an end gift date of the current day. If you have a particular filter or set of filters that you frequently use together to search, you can save the search. To do this, set the filters, click Save, then name the filtered search. Once you refresh the page, you will find this search under the Saved Filters dropdown. See more filters by clicking to expand the options. You're able to search notes, look up a referrer, someone who has given you a ministry connection, or filter by newsletter recipients to pull up a list of people who receive your physical or email updates. Click See Fewer Filters to revert back to the most common filters and the simpler view. And that's it! We hope seeing the filters in action has helped you realize what might be helpful to you as you work to connect with your ministry partners. Thank you for watching!